So guys, today in this video, we're going to walk through how to check the status of your birth, marriage, or death certificate application on Service Ontario's online status inquiry system. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, you can check the status of birth, marriage, and death certificate online if you have applied, of course. And this is the process I'm showing you for Ontario, and this is the website of Service Ontario. But based on your province, it could be different. So let's see how it goes. So for the very first thing you need to do is to search select which one you want to apply. So let's say you have a birth in your family, you select birth. Then it will ask if you applied online. So what happens is, like, when you apply online, you get the order number. If you have applied by paper, it will ask details about date of birth. Let's say I'm just selecting a sample date. Okay. Let's say, oh, sorry, it can now be 45 year 2020. Okay. Now details, applicant, and then you can check the status here. Okay. But if you have applied online, it's going to be less. You just put this order number and then you will get the confirmation box. You check on that, click on OK, and then it will uh, populate the status. It will also show that if it has been processed by the Office of Registrar General and if it has been dispatched. Those details you can see over there. And then postal time, nobody controls. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.